The other day I talked about tracking your social mentions. Well, I'm going to tell you about the list of tools that'll do that for free. Yeah, I caught myself. I talked to you about tracking social mentions, never made the list. Well, if you go to theguyrcookreport.podbean.com, I've got a Google document in there that lists everything I'm going to talk about right now, and let's get to it. X Pro used to be called TweetDeck. That's probably the lion in the jungle as far as tracking social mentions. And they've redone it. It's got a new interface, the ability to create multiple workspaces to organize all those tweets, and a bunch more, okay? The next one on the list that I created is Social Searcher, okay? And I've got the link in the Google document. Google Alerts, I use that for the Route 6 Tourist Association to track mentions to their many goings on. There's like over 900 locations in 14 states, so I get something about every day. And Agora Pulse and Buffer Analyze complete that list. Take a look at the Google document when you get a minute and get busy with tracking your social mentions for your brand, your services. Find out what's hot and what's not. Oh, and hey, contact me. Use the secure contact form on GuyRCook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up, and then click on the bell and subscribe to future episodes. I've got them so you can get them. It's a wrap.